If you need to submit documents to Epic Games for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that Epic Games requires for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, or any other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, go to the support or help section of the website. Look for options related to account issues or document submission. Step 4. Follow submission guidelines. Read the guidelines provided for document submission carefully. Ensure that your documents meet the specified requirements such as file format and size. Step 5. Upload your documents. Use the designated upload feature to submit your documents. After uploading, double-check that everything is correct and complete before finalizing your submission. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation regarding your document submission. Be sure to monitor your email for any updates from Epic Games regarding your account approval status.